5 key things we noticed when trading on LocalCryptos.com for the first time. So recently we went about buying and selling Bitcoin on LocalCryptos.com, and we found that it was a different experience than what we are used to on Binance, which is our favorite trading platform. So quickly, a disclaimer, we are going to be kind of comparing these two because we are used to using Binance. So you'll find that we may be a little biased, but if you're just open to hearing what we think and the things that we observed, then go ahead and continue watching this video. You can also click on the subscribe button, which is just right down there, if you want to be notified whenever we upload videos. So the first thing we did was definitely open an account on the platform. You do that by going to localcryptos.com and then you click create an account on the home page. After that, you click sign up with email and click continue. What you'll need to do in order to create an account is create a username, add an email, confirm your password, and then agree to the legal policies before you can create an account on the platform. One thing to note is that with the localcryptos.com platform, once you lose your password, that's the end of it because of its non-custodial nature. Non-custodial means that it does not own your private or public keys, meaning that you have full ownership of your cryptocurrency. That comes with a responsibility. That means that once you lose that, you lose your money. If you have any money there or access, you will need to create a new account. So the responsibility is all on you. Unlike with Binance, which is a custodial wallet, and therefore if you lose your password, you would be able to let them know you forgot your password, and there's a whole process, send you an email, all that. If you've lost your password before, you know what that whole process is like with other platforms as well. So now let's get into the 5 key things we took note of while using the localcryptos.com platform. The first thing is that it has an easy to use interface. You'll find that the most essential tabs are laid out at the top on the menu bar, and we found that they are easy to access. Therefore, for a beginner, it would be easy to use this platform because everything is just laid out pretty well on the home page or on the interface, making it highly intuitive. The second thing that we noticed is that you can't open a trade without putting an initial message in the message box after clicking on an offer. So this is uniform across the table. It doesn't matter whether you're selling or buying Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency. You need to put in a message in order to be able to open a trade. Now, for some of you, this might be something normal, but for us as crypto enthusiasts, we stuck to the safest platform, which is Binance. Right? For us, it's the largest crypto trading platform on the planet by volume, and we stuck to that. And there, as soon as you open a trade, you do not need to really chat in the message box. So for us, it came off as weird. It was strange. It was interesting because it was a whole new experience, but it might be the norm for you. And yeah, allow us that grace to get used to this. The third thing that we noticed is that the process is visually laid out in 3 steps, which we liked. You are told which step you are at in the buying or selling process. So there are 3 steps. The 3 steps are: 1, the seller puts Bitcoin in escrow. The second is buyer pays seller directly. And then the third is escrow is released to buyer. So you are kept aware of whatever step you are on, which can be important for people that are new to the crypto trading experience. So that's something to keep in mind. We upload them on that. That's a good visual representation. We like that. The fourth thing that we noticed is that you manually fund escrow. Now, another reminder is that we are used to Binance, where as soon as you open the trade, everything is done automatically. That process is automated in Binance, and therefore it came as a bit of a surprise for us that you have to initiate the process by yourself. And then another thing is that when we were selling cryptocurrency or selling Bitcoin, that process of funding escrow took about 20 minutes, which can be a huge inconvenience if that trade is urgent. Now, this might not be the norm because we also bought on the platform, and it didn't take that long for the escrow to be funded. It could be just an unfortunate circumstance for us, but we're just sharing our experience as was on our first time selling or generally just trading on the platform. That happened when we were selling Bitcoin. The final thing that we noticed on the localcryptos.com platform that we found interesting is how you inform the counterparty of your details or of how you want to get paid. You actually do that in the message box. So we were using M-Pesa in the examples shown. We have the videos linked below in the description, and we needed to share our M-Pesa number plus the name in the chat so as to be sent the payment. We noticed that this might be the norm for decentralized P2P marketplaces, but we're not used to it because we're used to trading on Binance. We noticed the same thing when using LocalBitcoins.com, which we shall cover as well, our first time experience doing that. But that is all that we've got. Those are the 5 things that we noticed that were unusual to us who are frequent Binance users. Let us know in the comment section if you have any comments, any suggestions, any questions. If you also want to let us know what your experience is, let us know in the comment section. We shall be happy to read and reply to those comments. That brings us to the end of the video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until next time.